everyone, welcome back to Sign Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the 4 of us from the 17 to the 20, from the 17 to 21st of August 2026 on Monday. Bobby clashes with Melusi over Ndumi and fires Busani. Family backs him. Matapelo plans to use her winning for a car. Letabo pushes marriage on Tuesday. Bobby sends a letter to the Nhlapo family. Matapelo get car finance, but loses her deposit. Busani is fired and sobs in Kazimulo's arm on Wednesday. Ton Letabo confront Bobby over Ndumi's ring. Ndumi tried to end things, but he refuses. Matapelo rejects her. Busani is fired as a family conflict happened on Thursday. Busani secures funding while family tension grows. Matapelo gambles loan money and his lies for more. Ndumi meets Bobby's family, but Letabo crushes it, wanting a fight on Friday. Bobby gives Ndumi a chance with the family, but Letabo sabotage dinner. Busani grows her business despite Bobby's annoyance. Matapelo steals a client wallet. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment, show your opinion. Bye.